Hello everyone. Today we are going to do the third lecture of the chapter 1 revision of basics of the Python class 11. So today we will go through the control statements in Python. So what is control statement? Control statements are used to control the flow of execution depending upon the specified condition or logic. That is, it is basically used to control the order of execution of program based on the values and logic. See, there are three types of control statements, that is decision making statements, iteration statements, while and for loop, jump statement, break, continue, and pass. So let us see decision making statements, that is if, else. So the syntax of it is here. If will give the logic or condition here, then statement, elif, then again logic or condition, then statement, then else, then statement. So let us see a program. So if you take a variable here a and input an integer type value, enter any integer number. If a is equal to 0, that means if the value of a entered in this is equal to 0, then this will be printed in the output, number is 0. But if elif, next condition is given, if this condition becomes false, if it is not equal to 0, then it will go through this, and if the number is a positive number, then this will be printed in the output, that is number is positive. Otherwise, if this condition is also not true for this, if it is a negative number, it will be printed as print number is negative. So as you can see, output entered number is 5. If you have entered the number as 5, then it is not equal to 0, this is greater than 0, it is a positive number, so this will be printed in the output, number is positive. As you can see, number is positive is in the output. So next we will see iteration statement, that is while loop. So the syntax of it is given here, syntax while, you will give the condition here, then statement. So let us understand the while loop by a program here. So here a program is given, n is equal to 1 while n is less than 4, print Govind, and a space is given here, n is equal to n plus 1. So let us understand this. First, the value of n is 1. So the condition is given, n is less than 4. So here the condition becomes true, 1 is less than 4, so Govind will be printed in the output and a gap will be given here. Now the value of n changes from 1 to 1. What is the value of n here? 1. So 1 plus 1, the value of n becomes 2. So now again it will go in the condition while loop. So here 2 is less than 4. So again this is true, then again Govind will be printed and a gap will be given here. And again now the value of n will be changed from 2 to 2 plus 1, 3. So again it will go here, 3 is less than 4. Again it becomes true, so again Govind will be printed, and therefore 3 times it will be printed and a gap will be given here. And then again now the value of n will change from 3 to 4. Now if now it will go in this condition, then this becomes false, as 4 is not less than 4, it is equal to. So now the while loop stops here, and you will get the output as Govind 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 3 times. Let us see next, that is iteration statement for loop. What is the syntax of it? For value in sequence statement. Let us understand this by a program. So let us understand the program. For I in range 1 comma 6, print I, and is equal to a gap. So this would basically mean not 1 to 6, but from 1 to 5. So you can see here the condition is given here, 1 to 6, but it is basically 1 to 5. So first it will the value of I will be 1, then 1 is printed here and a gap will be given. Then from 1 it will change to 2. Next time if it will go upward, then it will become 2, then 2, then a gap will be given, then 3, then 4, then 5. Here in for we don't have to give any conditions in below that n is equal to n plus 1 like previous while one. Here it will automatically change the value of it and it will be printed. So you can see the output, first it will be 1, then 2, then again it will come and 3, then 4, then 5, because this would basically mean 1 to 5, not 1 to 6. Now let's see the jump statement, that is break, continue, and pass. So here the syntax of it is given, for value in sequence. If value is equal to I, then break. If value is equal to z, then continue. If value is equal to k, then pass. let us understand this by a program. So here a program is given for I in range 1 comma 11 if I is equal to 3. So first the value of I will be 1. So this condition becomes false, this false, this false, so else will go in the output. So the value of I is 1. So here 1 will be printed and a gap will be given. Now the value of I changes from 1 to 2. So this again becomes false, this also false, this also false. Again this will be printed and 2 will be here in the output and a gap will be given. Now in next case the value of I will change to 3. So this condition becomes true. So this will be printed in the output hello. So you can see here and a gap will be given. Next, now the value changes from 3 to 4. So 4, so here you can see this also false, this false, this false. So again 4 will be printed here and a gap will be given. Now the value changes from 4 to 5. So this again false, this false, this false, and 5 means it is written pass. Pass means simply it will again pass, it will not do anything, it will just pass to the up one for statement. Now again from 5 it will change to 6. So in this case 6, it will again false, 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 again else part. So here it will be 6 in the output and a gap will be given. And now again it will go up and the value will change to 7. So you can see here this false, 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 and this will be again printed in the output. 7 is there and a gap will be given. And now in the last step you can see, not last means basically it is last in this program, the value will be 8 of I, the value of I will be 8. So you can see this is false, this is true. So it will break means the program will stop here and you can see this will be in the output. So this is basically the continue, break and pass. Hope you have understood this. So this was for today, see you in the next video.